Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Stephanie. I figured I'd fully introduce myself since usually I just say welcome back to Nails by Sora. But I'm actually Stephanie, that's my name. And Sora is a combination, if you don't know already, of my two cats, Soleil and Zora. And I got Sora, so it's Nails by Sora. So welcome back if you are a returning viewer or subscriber. Welcome if you are new. And today I'm going to kind of be revisiting the glazed donut trend, phase, era, because it doesn't seem to be ending anytime soon. Not that that's a bad thing. It's a very nice, classy manicure. Pretty simple to achieve, easier on if you're using gel products, because you really do need the gel product for the chrome powder to stick to. But first I wanted to show you this collection that I got. It's been out for a while. I can't get the box open. Of nude wedding colors. It doesn't have to be used for a wedding. They are just very nice, simple, classy colors, semi-transparent, and I got them because I really don't have any nude colors, and I keep trying to manufacture them on my own, and they're never quite what I want them to be. So this one is Magnifique. It's a pretty blush pink. The next one is Blush Rush, which is a brighter pink. I'm not going to swatch them in this video, if I swatch them at all, but I am going to use one of them for the traditional glazed donut, which I will go over again. This one is the Bliss, and it's a very pretty peach nude. So those are the three nude colors, new from Madame Glam. They are limited edition, so if you want them, get them now. And I'm going to get into it. So the three glazed donut looks that I'm going to do is the original glazed donut that was popularized by Hailey Bieber. I'm going to do maybe I'll do a strawberry glazed donut, get a little pink action going in there, pinky red. And then I want to be seasonal and do a pumpkin spiced glazed donut look. So I'm going to prep my nails with my base colors, and then I will come back to show you how we do the glazed donut portion of it.
Out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes, undercover.
All right, so we have our base colors, the blush, the red, and the brownish orange, which you saw I mixed the red from the nail and the orange from Madame Glam together to kind of mute the darker, did I say red? The brown. Wait, what? What am I talking about? The brown from the nail and the magnetic from Madame Glam. I used the orange to mute the deeper blue brown tones from the brown. And I'm going to go in with the blush color first. So what you need to do is you need to use a no wipe top coat. I don't remember if this is no wipe. I hope it is, because I don't want to open my new bottle of Madame Glam yet. But you want to go in and you want to do a coat of no wipe. And then you want to flash cure it for about 20 seconds. It really depends on your top coat, but anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds, preferably a little longer. And you want to evaporate most of that tackiness. And then you'll do a full cure once you've burnished in the, let's do a better job of covering that. Once you've burnished in the chrome powder. Make sure you have an even coat, because the chrome powder will show any kind of unevenness on the nail. So I'm going to go in for 20 seconds. I've only got a 30-second setting, so I'm going to stop it after 20 seconds. And then I'm going to be using Bridie, which is from Magnifique Beauty, but you can really use any kind of chrome powder. It can be loose, it can be pressed, you can use eyeshadow, just any kind of iridescent chrome powder that you like, and it'll work just fine. So I'm going to use a silicone tool because I find it creates more of an even coating, but you can use a gloved finger. I say gloved because you don't want the oils on your fingers to get into the chrome powder and on the nail. You can use a one of those eyeshadow applicators or a sponge, but basically you're going to take your chrome powder and you're just going to burnish it into the gel polish. That's what it's called. So you can see it's going in there quite well. I'm going to switch to my finger just because I think I'm feeling a little bit tackiness, and the silicone tool is sticking a bit. So this is why I say you want to go a little bit on the longer side, because you can see this matte finish on the right and the shiny on the left. If I cured it a little bit longer, it might be going in on a little bit more smoothly. I'm actually going to pop it back into the lamp for 10 seconds and see if that helps it, and then I'm going to start burnishing it again. Alright, so I'm not liking the way that looks. I'm going to redo this nail. You're really going for how it looks on the left. You really want it that high shine gloss. You don't want to see any grittiness or graininess from the dust. So I'm going to go and redo this nail. I actually think I'm going to just wipe it, because you can clean it off with some alcohol. And I'm going to re-top coat it. I really hate these nail stands. I've tried various ways of getting it to stick, and nothing seems to work. So if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know in the comment section below. I've used double-sided tape. I've used the gummy tack. Nothing really works. Okay, so if this were to happen when you were applying it to your nails, at this point I would say buff the shiny top coat off and reapply. because if you just put more top coat on top of the nail, the likelihood is that it might peel, because you need a roughed up surface for the gel top coat to stick, or a tacky surface. Seeing as how this is a sample nail, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to reapply the top coat. And this time I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. All right, so going in with Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat, and I am just going to move on to the next nail. If I need to, I will just redo the other nail off camera. But the process is the same. This one I will definitely only cure for 20 seconds because I've used it in this process before and I know it works. So doing a thin, even coat as usual. This is going to be our strawberry glazed donut. And now going in with Bridie and rubbing it over the surface. You can see that came out so much better. You've got that high shine, you've got the light line going across it. There is still a little bit of modeling over here. And try to rub it in a little bit more firmly. That's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to reaffix it to my nail stand and I'm going to finish the cure for another 30 seconds. And then I will show you how to finish it off and we'll move on to the pumpkin spiced glazed Bliss. Alright, so what you want to do now, especially if you're doing it on your nails or someone else's nail, is you need to reapply a tacky coat. I've tried it with nail primer and what it does is it kind of models, it disturbs the powder that's sitting on the nail. So what I like to do is just apply a base coat first. You can make sure you buff the free edge just so that you have something. I just knocked over my powder. Make sure it has something on the free edge to grip onto, but you do want to float a coating of base over the top of the nail so that you can apply the top coat on top of it and have it stick. So I'm not wiping the brush down the nail, I'm just coaxing the gel itself so that I can make sure that I get that tacky layer on and I don't pull any of the powder off. Make sure you get along the edges. Definitely cap your free edges. And then once that's cured, you can apply another coat of top coat as usual. Now I'm going to clean up the powder that I knocked over. So I took the liberty of going in and doing a fourth color. That is actually the second color on this stick. I wanted to use the peach, where is it? Bliss, the peach nude, because it just looked fantastic. I wanted to see what it would look like, and I am not disappointed. I think aside from our pumpkin spiced glazed donut, it is my favorite. But that's going to take us to the end of this video. I hope you found it informative if you've been thinking about doing the glazed donut look. I hope this gives you the incentive to do it, because it really is a very nice, classy, and ultimately easy look to achieve. If you do have any comments or questions about something that I did not cover, please leave it down in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for upcoming content, please also leave it in the did I say description box? I really don't know what I'm saying from one moment to the next. Leave it in the comment section below. I will leave all the information for the products I used in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video.